Well, everybody, it's Tuesday, the 25th of March, and yesterday was such a great day in the stock market. I mean, I didn't even sit, I, everything went higher than I thought it would, and I'm really happy, and that's a really nice day. But the question is, when are we going to take profits? When are we going to get out? So let's assume that the correction is over. Let's assume that the correction is over, okay? Let's assume I say it's a wave 4, A, B, C, and then we go straight up. Some people say that this might be a W, X, Y, and it also goes straight up. Doesn't really matter. Both of those counts, it goes straight up. I have a lot. So in that case, in the bullish case, if you own Tesla, if you own all these stocks, you have your core portfolio, you just hold. We're just going to hold to 6,500 in this case, right? If it's bullish. So hopefully that's what's going to happen is the market just goes to 6,500. I'm not going to trade it, but here's the big problem. Here is the big problem with holding. And the big problem with holding is this area right here. 6,000 to 5,900. There is going to be a lot of trouble here. If it's the bullish count, right? If it's the bullish count, the market will still go down. And that will be a wave 2, right? The market will still go down, and that will be wave 2 before the market goes up again, right? And if this is actually a 5-wave move down, if this was a new high and this was actually the 4th wave ending here, then this could be A, B, and C down. And the market can also go all the way down to, 5,000 or whatever horrible things will happen in a bear market. So that's what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen, guys. We're going to get up to around 5,900 to 6,000, somewhere in there. We're going to get up there, and then the market's going to correct. The question we need to ask ourselves, are we going to sell our long-term positions in, say, Tesla, in say, Meta, in, say, all of my favorite stocks? Are we going to sell and are we going to buy them back? Or are we going to hold through this? That's the $1 million question. And it depends upon who you are. I personally, if you're a long-term holder, my friend is listening to this video, my buddy Lars. If I was him, I would just hold. I think the market's going to go up. I would just hold all of my favorite stocks, right? If you're a day trader or a swing trader, right? If you're a swing trader or a day trader, or there's stocks that you like to book your profits, like Palantir, right? Say Palantir, that would be one. Qubits, IONQ, because they're a little, more risky, right? Any risky stocks, I would definitely take profits in this area, and then we'll buy it back here, right? And of course, if you're trading the indices, then yeah, you want to get out in this area. So right now, the market is having a lot of trouble at 755, which is no surprise because there is a huge call wall in the 750 area. I do think we're going to go up. We're going to break through that call wall. And what we need to do is we need to identify where the next call wall is in this 880 to 6,000 area. So we need to find the next biggest call wall in my circled area. And that is when you should, when we get up there or close to it, maybe 20 points below, take your profits and let's wait. Take your profits and then let's wait. So every single day, I repeat this, every single day, you have to check the call wall. We're looking for a call wall, ideally between 5,900 and 6,000. We find that call wall. We sell all of our short-term positions or riskier positions 20 points below that call wall. And then we're going to wait. We're going to wait. And we're going to let wave 2 play out or see if the market crashes and goes into a bear market. All right, guys, that is our plan. That is it.